Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickBank Marketplace tracking for digital product affiliate links, complete guide step by step clearly. To install ClickBank Marketplace tracking for your digital product affiliate links, begin by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Click on Analytics to access the reporting tools. Next, locate the Tracking IDs option within the Analytics menu. Click on Tracking IDs to create a new tracking ID. Enter a descriptive name for your tracking ID to help you remember its purpose. Make sure to include relevant keywords that reflect the specific product or source. After naming your tracking ID, click the Save button to generate it. Now, head over to your ClickBank Marketplace and find the digital product you want to promote. Copy the affiliate link associated with that product. Next, you will add your tracking ID to the affiliate link. To do this, append the tracking ID to the end of the affiliate link. Use the following format: your _affiliate _link, TID equals your _tracking _ID. Ensure there are no spaces between the link and the tracking ID. Now, use this new URL whenever you promote the product. This will allow you to track clicks and sales more effectively. To analyze the performance, return to the Reports section. Select Analytics and locate the performance data for your new tracking ID. Review the click-through rates and sales generated to understand your marketing effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather from this data. Continue to create and use multiple tracking IDs for different campaigns. This will help you optimize your affiliate marketing efforts and increase conversions. You're now set up to utilize ClickBank Marketplace tracking for your affiliate links effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.